and welcome. Today I'll show you an easy one-pot seafood recipe, fish ragu. It's a delicious and wholesome meal that's perfect for any lazy day. Let's get started. You will need 4 plus 2 onions, 3 tomatoes, 5 to 6 green chillies or more depending on your taste, about 10 cloves of garlic, 1 red capsicum, about a kilogram of assorted vegetables, 500 grams of sweet potatoes, a kilogram of your choice of fish, a bay leaf, half a cup of tomato puree, a tablespoon of paprika, a teaspoon of nutmeg, salt to taste, and optionally some dry fish and Maggi seasoning cube. In a pot, cook 4 of the onions, the tomatoes, green chilies, garlic, and the red capsicum until soft. Cool this down a bit and blend it into a smooth paste and set aside. Time to prep the rest of the ingredients. I'm using some cauliflower which I'll cut and immerse in boiling water until ready to use. Also, cut the sweet potatoes and set aside immersed in cold water. This will prevent it from darkening. Cut the remaining vegetables into large pieces. Here I have some carrots, some chocho or chayote, and some zucchini. If you're using dry fish, roast it in an open flame for a couple of minutes and set aside. Time to start cooking. Heat some oil in a large pot, add a bay leaf and 2 chopped onions and saute for a couple of minutes. Add the tomato puree and cook until the raw smell disappears. Add the paprika, nutmeg powder and Maggi seasoning cube. Fry these on a low flame for a couple of minutes. Now add the chopped vegetables except the cauliflower and sweet potatoes. Mix well to coat and then season with salt. From another recipe. This is not really necessary. Now add about a liter of water and let this cook covered until half done. If using the dry fish, go ahead and add it now. Add the ground tomato paste and give it a good mix. Add the sweet potatoes and cauliflower and adjust the seasoning. Cover and cook for about 5 minutes. Time to add the fish. Gently move the fish around so it's immersed in the sauce. Cover and cook until the fish is fully done. This should take about 10 more minutes. Your fish ragu is ready. Serve it up in a bowl with the juicy sauce. You really don't need anything else to go with it, but if you wish, you could serve it with some bread. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you haven't done it already, hit subscribe and click on the notification icon so you're always up to date with my latest videos. Until next time, happy cooking!